Hi, I'm Hillary Shine here to bring you Good News, Killeen. School's not the only thing starting back this week. Here's what your city has lined up. Governor Greg Abbott has once again extended his disaster declaration for the COVID-19 pandemic, this time through September. The governor has said that the downward trend in virus cases is a positive indicator, but that maintaining the lower numbers through the reopening of schools and the Labor Day holiday is a test that must be measured before further openings can take place. So, we have to keep being patient, wearing our masks, and practicing social distancing. September is National Preparedness Month, and we're in week 2. This week's message is build a kit. Gathering supplies in advance can help you and your family survive for several days if you lose power, water, your home, or worse. Your kit should consider the unique needs each person or pet may have in case you have to evacuate quickly. Ready.gov offers all sorts of advice, as well as resources like a checklist to get you started. Disasters don't wait, make your plan today is the theme, and we encourage you to use this month to be ready in case of emergencies every month. The city is hosting a tire recycling event Saturday, September 12th from 9 to 1 at the Killeen Special Events Center. City of Killeen residents can dispose of up to 4 tires per household free. Proof of address will be required to participate. Tires accepted must be for cars or light trucks with a maximum 22-inch rim size. This collection is only for residents. No tires from businesses or oversized commercial or tractor tires will be accepted. Killeen Animal Shelter has started a Pet of the Week program to spotlight one lucky dog or cat that needs a forever home. Our first feature was Scooby, and it only took 2 days to find his new family. Check out the city's Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter every Wednesday to see who's ready for adoption. And remember, there are always lots of perfectly precious pets at the shelter in need of good homes, so check KilleenTexas.gov/animals often. Killeen Public Library is still bringing you digital story times every week, but they've switched it up a little for the new fall season. Wednesdays are now on-site at different locations every week. Librarians and special guests may be at a park, a fire station, or somewhere else, so tune in to see where they'll be next. Mondays are still coming to you from the Copper Mountain Branch Library with 2 stories, songs, and activity and craft. Episodes premiere on the city's Facebook page every Monday and Wednesday at 10 a.m. Deadlines are quickly approaching for fall youth sports. Registration for fall co-ed youth volleyball closes September 11th. It's for ages 7 to 12 and is $56 per player. Youth volleyball camp is registering through September 18th for $65 per player. Fall youth baseball and softball are registering by team through September 18th. Travel, select, and showcase teams can compete in an 8-game season. Team registration is $100. All the details are online at KilleenTexas.gov/leagues. Finally, the City Council adopted the fiscal year 2021 annual budget September 8th, setting the plan for the upcoming fiscal year, which starts October 1st. The budget's balanced with a decrease in the tax rate from 74.98 cents to 73.3 cents, and Council did not adopt any utility rate increases. The entire budget is available online, and we've added a budget in brief this year to give you a snapshot of the document. Check it out at KilleenTexas.gov/budget. Looking for more info on your great city? Find it at KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10. See you soon with more good news, Killeen.